Hi, I'm Paula from Paula's DIY Decor and welcome to my channel. I'm the crafter from Down Under and today I'm super excited to share with you some images from my Australia Day tablescape that I shared with my family. Now I know my gorgeous US friends are going to be celebrating your own 4th of July celebration soon, so I thought I would share with you how we do it Down Under. Now what you're looking at here is a gorgeous red, white and blue tablescape. I hope you get some inspiration for your 4th of July celebrations. As you can see, using some simple red charger plates just left over from Christmas, we've really managed to bring some gorgeous colour to the table, using a navy table runner and importantly some beautiful yellow native bottlebrush plants that I picked from my garden, pop them in a vase, wrap some napkins around on top of my crockery, and there you have a gorgeous, gorgeous decorated table. Now here you're seeing a centrepiece that I made myself using some red, blue and silver ribbon. I also used some felt, some red, blue and white felt, and made some little mini roses to create that gorgeous centrepiece. Now I also like to create a food table. Here you can see a simple picture frame that I popped the Australian flag in, and I put a beautiful bow around a candle holder. Here is an Australian pavlova that I made for my family, and my gorgeous daughter's girlfriend brought over some beautiful biscuits for us to eat. I hope you've been inspired for your celebration. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.